Mga kapuso, panibagong adjustment ang kakarapin ng ating mga mag-aaral at guro dahil sa pagbabalik ng old academic school calendar. Kaya ano kaya ang ginagawang paghahanda rito ng Department of Education? Kaugnay niyan, makasama natin ang Dagupan City Schools Division Superintendent na si Dr. Rowena Banzon. Good afternoon, Dr. Banzon. At yun nga ang tanong, ano po ang ginagawang paghahanda ngayon ng DepEd sa pagbabalik po ng old academic school calendar?
Yes, good afternoon, Chris. The Department of Education is slowly moving towards coming back to yung sinasabi nga nating old academic calendar. Pero hindi natin pwedeng gawing abrupt yan kasi ang old calendar ang vacation natin is May to April and May. Ngayon, ang vacation natin as in the calendar that we are to implement this year is June and July.
Opo. Ano po ba ang rasyonale? Bakit natin binabalik sa ganitong kalendaryo ang...
Alam natin yan, ang dadaming clamor ng ating mga stakeholders as regards yung condition kasi ng learning environment natin pagdating ng summer.
Mababawasan ng halos isang buwan dun sa regular dapat na
Sure.
ipapasok nila kasi dahil matatapos tayo ng May instead of June.
That's true. We will be missing some contact hours as we used to have. Kasi kinongest na natin ang third quarter. Okay. And fourth quarter only to 55 days. So, na-lessen na siya. So, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, for SDO Dagupan, I have asked our education program supervisors to go over all competencies to be covered for third and fourth quarter. Tapos tignan na lang nila kung alin yung pwede i-combine na competencies.
Well, hindi pa alarming kasi alam niyo naman we need to focus more dun sa education system in public schools, lalo ngayon nagpapatupad tayo nung Catch-up Fridays because we found out that insufficient yung comprehension and reading comprehension and critical thinking ng mga kabataan, ng mga estudyante ngayon. So, paano ito nag-harmonize?
Hindi sila magkatugma, no? So like there's a need really to develop our learners' reading skills, okay? At the same time, for them to develop critical thinking, analytic, and some writing skills that we already accommodate on the Catch-up Friday activities.
We wish you all the best of luck.
Thank you po, thank you. We really need that.
Maraming salamat po ang City Schools Division Superintendent ng Dagupan City, si Dr. Rowena Banzon.